Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about why I started my YouTube channel in the first place. Alright, so I had a buddy who wanted to start a fitness YouTube channel, right? But he had no idea how to start or get the ball rolling. And he was talking to me about it, and I remembered that I had another friend who had a pretty successful channel already. And at the time he had over 10,000 subscribers. So I reached out to my friend with the channel and was like, hey dude, I have a buddy who wants to start a YouTube channel. You think you could connect with him and kind of collaborate and talk about how he can get his channel started? And he was totally on board with the idea. And while I was talking with the friend with the channel, I wanted to ask him more questions because I was super interested in that type of business or the idea of starting a YouTube channel. And I didn't really know much about it. And my buddy pretty much has a football card channel, right? So what he does is he sits there and he opens packs of football cards out of these big boxes of cards, and he'll get these autographed jersey cards or just these rare cards, and people watch that. And so he'll get thousands of views and likes on a video, and he's like, yeah, and I'm making a little bit of money off of YouTube. Then he said the magic words and was like, I'm making money off this. And I was like, dude, tell me more. I want to know more about this. At the time, I was a super poor college student in my last semester of school, and I was like, dude, I need money. Now, obviously, starting a YouTube channel is a lot of work, and my buddy's put a lot of time into it. It's more than just opening football cards. But for him, it's more of a hobby. He's very passionate about it. He enjoys doing it, and the extra money he makes from YouTube is just kind of like an added bonus. And if you want to check out his channel down below, the link is there. His channel name is Vikings95. So if you're into football or football cards, just go ahead and check out his channel. But after talking with him, that kind of got the idea stirring in my mind, like, hey, maybe I should start a channel. So then I started thinking about skills that I have that I could share with other people and that they would watch. So then I was sitting there like, I just took a advanced class in Excel in school, and I was like, I understand Excel really well, and I feel like a lot of people don't. So I was like, I'm just gonna throw Excel videos out there. So I threw videos out there thinking I could make a little bit of extra money pretty quick. But little did I know that starting a YouTube channel is definitely not quick money. And my buddy definitely told me that, but I completely ignored him. In order to make money from YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And once I really realized that and understood that, I was like, there's not 1,000 people out there that are gonna subscribe to my Excel channel. Like, there's thousands of Excel channels out there. So I kind of got discouraged. I wasn't super consistent. I'd post a couple videos maybe every other week, or I'd take week breaks in between videos, and I just wasn't consistent and I wasn't dedicated, and I was doing it for the wrong reasons. But then my last semester of school, I started realizing that a lot of people didn't understand these basic finance topics. Topics like what your credit score is, how to increase your credit score, what compounding interest is, or even how to read an income statement. These basic personal finance topics aren't super hard to understand, and I feel like I can do a good job of explaining it to people. So then I kind of shifted my focus on the channel to more personal finance, entrepreneurship, just kind of business topics in general, and that's kind of what it is today. But then instead of doing it for the money, I kind of shift my purpose for the channel to actually helping people, because I was looking at my roommates and my friends who were trying to become doctors or dentists, construction management majors, art majors, and they didn't really understand these basic financial concepts that are going to help lead to financial freedom. And I think that is important for everybody to strive for, because financial freedom allows you to be in control of your time, do what you want with your time. Because life is a lot more than just working most of your life to retire for, 5, 10, 15 years. So I became passionate about helping spread that information and teaching people basic financial concepts or business topics that can help improve their lives. That is kind of the goal and the purpose of why I create the channel. Yeah, the money is a little added side bonus, but really it's more of a passion, it's more of a hobby for me now. It helps me learn and remember the things that I've learned and help other people receive that information that could really benefit them. And I really started moving towards that focus about 7 or 8 months ago. And that's when I started uploading other videos about finance topics, more than just Excel. That's when I started trying to improve my thumbnails to kind of catch more attention of viewers. so that they could see my videos. I started learning how to edit them better and add effects that, will help retain people's attention long enough to get my message across. Now, granted, I'm still working on all those things, but that's, about 7 or 8 months ago is kind of when I really started pushing, uploading more consistently, upgrading the quality of my videos, and the overall content was just upgraded. And I've seen a huge increase in subscribers and watch hours within those 7 to 8 months, but specifically in the last 2 months of this year of 2022. And within those last 7 to 8 months of really amping up my channel, I've gained around 63,000 views, 3,000 watch hours, and 457 subscribers. So my channel's been growing a lot faster than it was when I was just uploading Excel videos inconsistently. That's kind of why I started my channel. I started it for the money, but now it's more of a hobby, a passion for me to help others learn these financial topics. So my purpose or my why has kind of shifted, and because of that, I've been able to focus and dedicate more of my time to actually making great content and consistently uploading. And that is why I started my YouTube channel all those months ago. Please leave a comment below, subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.